Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you something about my Tamiya SuperShot. I think it is a SuperShot, but I'm not sure. Some parts don't line up with the manual, so I think it is. Could also be a super hot shot. Since it is not really original anymore, I decided to modify it more and make it on road only. So I have some nice wheels for it. I'm going to put a big wing, as you can see here. This one, I'm going to paint it in camel yellow. I already painted the body in a different color, but I'm not really fond of it. I really want to change it. They don't sell the bodies anymore, so I have to try and remove the paint. In the back I have some piggyback shocks. I think it looks quite nice. For the rest, the front shocks, I still have to find some for that. The car, when I bought it, it was in quite a bad shape, so it has a lot of new parts. If you want to see how many parts and what parts, and then please visit my website. I have written down everything there. I think it looks already quite nice. I forgot that, but I'm also making it lower, so that it becomes just I don't know, maybe 10-15 millimeters of ground clearance. I think that looks really nice. So that's for now, and if you like what I do, please subscribe and leave a comment if you have some remarks or whatever. And hope to see you in the next video when I have done some more, I hope. Okay, bye.